Now let's give your blog post the best possible chance of ranking. Click the Rank Math button in the top right to open the checklist sidebar. Scroll down and look at the checklist. Green check marks mean you're good to go. Red X's show areas to improve. As you click each drop-down, each item is clearly explained, so let's walk through a couple together. If Rank Math flags your keyword density as too high or too low, you'll want to adjust that. You want your focus keyword to appear in 1 to 1.5% of the total word count. If it's too low, you're not targeting your keyword well enough, and if it's too high, it can look spammy. I recommend using ChatGPT to guide the edits. Here's a prompt you could use. My keyword density is around, put your number. Can you suggest where to naturally add my focus keyword, in my case, best road trip apps, to bring it up to around 1%? Then submit the prompt. Make the changes it proposes manually, then recheck your score. Read your updates out loud. If it sounds unnatural, fix it. And ultimately, prioritize clarity and flow of the blog over hitting an exact number. I've included this prompt at the bottom of the ChatGPT prompt template document if you want to copy and paste it for an easy experience. Some checklist items will ask you to edit your SEO title, meta description, or post URL. To modify these, click Edit Snippet. Then make adjustments based on Rank Math's recommendations. Aim for a Rank Math score as close to 100 out of 100 as possible, but don't stress over getting it perfect. The goal is to make meaningful improvements that help readers and improve your search visibility. If you can even get this Rank Math button to display green, you're in a good spot.